Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplugged Talk series. This is Hina, an ex-GITN. Currently, I am associated as Assistant Manager in Recruitment with the MNC.
I am Dr. Sneha Patel, Assistant Professor at GIT and Coordinator of Women Development Cell. We will be talking about employment horizon,
Equality,
mental health,
work-life balance,
courage,
and much more.
Coincidentally, we are here together on a fine evening where the whole world addresses women out there.
Yeah, not for long, but at least for a day, right?
Yes, rightly said.
I do not understand why do we need a specific day to celebrate the existence of women in our life. Not just women, like existence of men or women in our life, right? Like we have several days for that, like
Mother's Day,
yeah, Daughter's Day,
Children's Day too.
yeah, and we have one more day, Engineer's Day.
Yes, rightly mentioned.
Yeah.
But as I know you, Hina, you were more into the Jazba Tech Fest like of thing. But on a serious note, I'm curious to know that how did you make a shift from technical to non-technical background?
Yeah, I would love to talk about that.
Yes.
So basically, as you know, you have taught me, right? Like for me, the college was just Jazba, Tech Fest, and canteen. If you want to know more about that, you can check this episode too.
Yes.
So yeah, basically, I was not much into this coding part. Actually, to be very honest, I was not even much sure about the engineering. But it's just abba nahi mane.
That happens with most of us.
So I knew in third year I knew that I do not want to make a career out of this coding part and everything, right? In final year, my friends were doing this coding part and a lot of terms which I don't even remember are being used in IT projects and all. So basically I was the person who was just making reports. मेरा काम था hard copy लाना, poster बनाना. So but yeah, it was a question for me कि भाई अब करना क्या है ज़िंदगी में, engineering तो ख़त्म होने आई. So then there was this placement cell. GIT obviously they helped us a lot to get placed, right? So there was this placement committee where there were few students who were just being part of that. All they were doing just managing the organization and like being the bridge between the organization and the student, right? So I thought that I could use it as my profession because come on, I have good communication skills.
Yes, we know. We taught you.
Yes, I have good communication skill. I am overflowing with a lot of confidence and just with a pinch of professionalism, I literally made a career out of it. And one step to another, I am like in a complete different level of my life. I didn't actually expect it, but yeah, I'm in a good position now.
Yes,
so yeah,
glad
this is how
to hear that you are a part of ex-GIT.
So this is how it all started. But one more thing, actually, if it just because we are talking about women,
yes, true.
This complete recruitment thing, it all started by the women only. Yes, back in World War One. When their men were out there in battlefields, at that time those women, just to earn their bread and butter, they found a better idea to like help people as well, right? They actually started this recruitment and all, and since that time this is in the existence of our complete corporate sector. Also there are a lot of misbeliefs that recruitment, HR, even teaching profession,
yes,
these are women centric jobs, but we know it is not.
Yes, true.
Right, like this, like any profession, I believe it is, whether it is being pilot or in army or teacher or even HR, right? These all are independent to the irrespective, like completely independent to the irrespective of genders and all. You know what I mean, right?
Yes, you have rightly mentioned that. There are people who have lot of opinions regarding men-centric job versus women-centric job, but it is not always true. Like for teaching, people think that it is the safest job.
Right.
But why do we women have to tag ourselves as safest? There are endless value of professions and people can go for their choices.
Yes,
And at the same time, I do believe people have their own interest, they have their own passion, and they can go with that. There is nothing wrong with that.
Exactly. You know, as I am in this HR part and recruitment part, I have seen several things, like, you know, so maybe you can say a culture of organization or what, where, you know, if any woman, like, I have actually seen that,
Yes.
if any woman is, you know, about to get married or about to start a family or whatsoever, they will get less number of options to switch the career or get a better opportunity, because
True.
yeah, even in interviews they would ask you, okay, yeah, so do you have any plans of getting married, or are you, you know, doing family planning, right? So if that lady is doing the family planning, then they would think that they like the organization is investing a lot of time and
That
energy.
is, we can say that they are making a first opinion of women.
Yeah, exactly. That's they make that first
Yes,
specific.
they have
opinion.
that particular mindset.
Exactly. You know, in such kind of scenarios, the organizations would prefer a less experienced male candidate over a experienced and more qualified women candidate, just
Right.
because they think that she could be asset to the company, but then she will start taking leaves and all, you know, because as you know, women have a lot of responsibilities towards home and work as well. So I have, you know, I would like to talk about this, you know, specifically work-life balance, which specifically women has to do more, because I think we have more expectation and responsibilities, right,
Yes.
from our families and all. Like I am currently having comparatively lesser responsibilities, right? So I want to know, like, what is your perspective about this, you know, work-life balance? How are you managing that?
Well, this is a right question from me since I am married. When we talk of two different phases, that is before marriage and after marriage, these two things are totally different, you know, because before marriage we are living with our mom, even we can say no at times, but after marriage this will be completely a bit different scenario, right? Because we have so much of social responsibilities that we need to follow, right? At the same time, it's very difficult for women to maintain a balance between work life as well as we can talk about personal life too. In Indian tradition, there is something called we can say Bharatiya Nari, or they have a different connotation of Bahu.
Or you can
in
say Ghar ki
Indian
Lakshmi.
society. Yes, that is a right term given by the Indian society we can talk
Yeah.
of, right? So they have the families have a lot of unsaid expectations from us,
Yes, yes.
and somewhere we have to fulfill their expectations too, as a we can say daughter-in-law, right?
And okay, it went quite well. I just wanted to know, like, you know, because in this specific lockdown thing, right, we were working from home. So for me it was quite comfortable. मैं अपना कर रही थी, घर का काम हो रहा है. And I remember we have lectures at 9 p.m. specifically.
True.
So how are you managing that, like working in lockdown from
Yes,
home?
I would really love to answer your question. As you remember that we have classes at night, at the same time we have the breakfast time.
Exactly.
So managing both the things at the same time is very difficult for a woman. But we were doing that. Women are stronger in that sense, we can say.
Exactly.
And at the same time, my husband did not have to do all those stuffs.
Yes.
So when we talk about men and women in particular, men have, I believe men have more responsibilities, but at the same time women have different responsibilities to fulfill.
To fulfill.
Even the men are not forced to do the household chores, right? But the women have to do.
Have.
And when we talk about those lockdown periods, it was like there were no helpers out and we have to do all the household chores by ourselves. So that was a perfect period or a perfect example where women were equally maintaining the professional life as well as personal life. We can put that thing on an equal stage, right? And at the same time, I do believe that women have to think of so many things when they are at home. It's not only like it can be household chores, it can be taking care of the children, it can be taking care of the elders. At the same time, they have to go out and manage some of the family functions. there are so many things that a women have to do.
Yes.
But we always have to think that women are stronger and they can do it.
Yes, I think we have this thing inbuilt.
Yes, we have this inbuilt capacity
I
to
think we
maintain
have,
these
yeah,
situations.
Exactly.
Right.
Like this equality, you know, like women and men are both equally, you know, responsible to, you know, get this cycle run of, you
Yes.
know, like the responsibilities. घर का बोलते हैं ना, दो पहिए बराबर हैं.
True.
It's more like that. So yeah, if we talk about that equal, just because, you know, we are talking about equality and all, right? मतलब है, women are equally important, obviously. Like if we talk about me, I am not that feminist kind of person. मेरे को नहीं है ऐसा, ठीक है? I, to be very honest, I do not like to be compared with men. मैं like क्यों करना है? Why? हमको करना ही क्यों है?
Why we have to put this gender equality stuff on paper?
Exactly.
People talk about gender equality everywhere, but that should not be reflected on
In
paper.
mind, yeah.
But it should be in mind.
Exactly.
Right?
If you talk about that women empowerment, I mean, like women are, if you like, isn't like women empowerment isn't about, you know, making the women stronger, because it is a universal fact, we are already strong, right? And it is just about changing the perception of the world, like how they see it, right? Because if
True.
you ask me, I am tough, I am ambitious, and I am very sorted about like what I want in my life, right?
True.
And if that makes me a rude person or a blunt person, I'm completely fine with that.
True, very
Right.
true. You have mentioned it very rightly, and I like that attitude. I have been lucky enough to manage my professional as well as personal life, but there are many of my friends who are not.
Yeah.
They have to leave their jobs because of the various responsibilities at home.
Exactly. You know, as I am in this HR industry, I have came across several women who have, you know, several problems back at their family. So that kind of affect their, you know, professional work as well, because they are mentally disturbed and all, right? So I have came across that kind of scenarios as well. So what are your thoughts on that?
It's not only HR, but basically when we talk about any of the profession, it happens with many of the females who
Yeah.
are not mentally fit, right?
Yeah.
There can be various issues on the other end, and we
Yeah.
may not be knowing about all their
Exactly.
problems, and that ultimately affects their professional life.
Exactly.
And we have seen so many women around us who are facing all these situations. Like there can be reasons like we have talked about, or we know about dowry system. At the same time, there are gender discrimination at place.
At
There are
places.
biasness that happens
Yeah.
with many of the women.
Women.
Though it is not seen in the metropolitan cities, but there are so many cities where we have
Exactly.
seen such situations. So that can be a pressure for every individual women, where they are facing a lot number of problems. They are not fit, and for that they are not having enough sleep. They are not able to get time for themselves, and basically somewhere it affects the physical health too.
Exactly. You know, actually, this all happens with the culture where, you know, the employees take their work home, right?
True.
And actually, I have seen in organization, they show it off to their bosses. Ke, see, I am working from home, I am on leave, but I am still working. I have read it somewhere on LinkedIn that we need to stop glamorizing this absence of sleep, time with friends, time with family, you know, and like just a casual timing or whatsoever. We need to
True.
stop, you know, like not doing that. Actually, we need to stop that, okay? And a lot of people, they are doing it though they do not want to, but you know, they take their burnout as a badge of honor, like अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. So I think we need to stop that specific glamorizing of overwork. Actually, that affects a lot to the mental. मतलब
True.
ऑफिस खत्म हो गया, there is no need to take the laptop home. ठीक है? That's what I personally believe.
True, you are right. But at the same time, we can say that there may be an urgent need of doing that. We can do that, but there is no need of taking that much of mental pressure when you are at home,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
You can go for a walk and you can talk to a colleague regarding a walk. That can be an option that you can opt for. It's not necessary that you have to sit on a chair and you do have to do a serious talk with a colleague.
Yeah.
that can be something that you can adjust to keep your mental health alive.
And I think like GIT is giving a lot of benefits to women specifically.
True.
In terms of leadership, or like in a lot of ways, right? They actually, to be very honest, when I was in engineering, they let me do the anchoring of that specific, what do I say, Antakshari thing, right? And I was not that a good student.
Even you have participated in so many activities of women development cell.
Exactly.
True.
So that lady actually that came, she used to, I do not recall her name, but yeah, she used to come and teach us the
Karate wali
yes,
things.
exactly.
Yes.
I do not remember.
Self defense is again a very important factor in a women's life.
Yeah.
So we do teach them self defense under the women development cell.
Yeah.
And specifically Gandhinagar Institute of Technology have defined a special cell called Women Development Cell,
Yeah.
where we empower women, we give gender equality to them, at the same time we promote them, we give them the frontline situations where they can perform their role as leaderships, and even all the girl student of GIT are welcome with their any questions and doubt if they face any of the problems during their tenure in the college.
Yeah, and to be very honest, this overflooding self-confidence that I got as a gift from GIT itself. So I'm really thankful to that.
Thank you for that.
And thank you so much for having me today to have
Yes.
this discussion with you.
Yes, what is needed is when we are specifically talking about women, it should be like we should have discussions with male colleagues.
we should.
At the same time, we should give safe spaces to the women where they can come out, they can discuss, they can find solutions. Like there should not be something called a person to whom you can talk and you can do. But the women should be empowered in such a way that they can fight for themselves.
Exactly.
There is no need of so-called community to give them a suraksha, we can say,
Yeah.
right? So rather we should train our girls in such a way that they can come out, they can speak up, they can fight on their own.
Yes.
At the same time, there should be, in other words, if you define, there should be healthy discussions amongst all, despite of any of the gender, whether it is
Exactly.
a male or a female.
Yeah.
Anyone can come out, they can have healthy discussions on topics related to women.
Yes, yes,
There are people who are very ashamed of how to talk about women, but
Yeah.
why not? All are educated, all are getting a background where people can come, people can discuss, and they can have their own opinions.
Exactly.
Everyone is respected at different grounds.
Yeah.
Right? At the same time, something that I would like to tell is that we have to inculcate some habits from childhood, and especially when we talk about no biasing, that is something that should be given from the childhood itself, so that there are no problems that we see in the present era, that is 21st century skills.
True, true. I am like literally enlightened by this complete last statement you just spoke. And it was such a healthy discussion with you today.
Yes.